You know the man Abraham Lincoln. He's probably best known for abolishing slavery and so on. This man was a certified legend to begin with. But this man, he was self-taught, he grew up in poverty, and he went on to become a lawyer. Anyways, he failed in business, he lost his fiancée, he failed to become vice president, he lost all political type of races. What else? He kind of still managed to become the 16th president of the United States of America some way, somehow. And with this being said, it just goes to show us a man's focus and a man's determination. Why didn't it go the way you wanted? What could you have done to change the outcome? Was it in your control? Was it beyond your control? Take a step back and ask yourself, what did I learn from this experience? What did I get from this? Now think for the future how you apply what you learned from this experience and prevent it from happening again. Like I'm going to say in a lot of this video, it's really just about the mindset that you have. This is guy, Thomas Edison. If you don't know who he is, I think it's kind of the reason why there's light in our houses. I haven't really done research on this man like that. According to Google, he said that he failed about 10,000 times. 10,000 times while inventing the light bulb. And one of his sayings was, I found 10,000 ways something won't work and I'm not discouraged. Anyways, he kept going on and said, every wrong attempt is another step forward. That man's got bar, man. I gotta say, it's truly how we view our failures that'll determine if we'll grow from it or we'll sink from it. It should be common sense that if we just dwell on our failures, time is just gonna be thrown down among sewer pipes. You don't want to be in your 60s, 70s and be like, damn, I wasted all my life. But not only is that gonna waste your time, it's also gonna put you in an emotional hamster wheel that's gonna prevent you from moving on. It's just gonna continuously make you just circle around your failures. How many times have you heard like the saying, oh, you can't change the past, or what you done can be changed? And honestly, bro, we can't change our mistakes, but we can definitely like use them to shape our future. Like I said before, it is really just how you have the mindset, how you view things. It's about perception, truly. I think people get influenced by what others have to say about them. This is really your life experience, not theirs. And there's a story about Walt Disney. He was fired from his job as a newspaper writer because he lacked imagination and he lacked good ideas. If y'all don't know who he is, he's basically the creator of Mickey Mouse. He went on and won 22 Academy Awards, and just to top it off, was the founder of Disney World and Disneyland. And you're really gonna sit here and tell me that this man was a newspaper writer and got fired because he lacked imagination and ideas? Okay, next. Pretty sure teachers and professionals, so-called unprofessionals, give us like this negative way to view failure. And so like I said before, one thing you can try to change is your mindset and shift it away from the negative. For example, since I failed, it must mean I'm stupid, weak, and unfit, okay? I'm smarter than I was before because of the knowledge I gained through this experience. You totally see the difference and the big gap right there. The failures we go through is actually just the beginning of another unique and interesting journey. So after making mistakes, try to start with a new mindset, start with new strategies. Like just have maybe if you can like some notes and be like, okay, what didn't go right here? And just write it down. Even our boy Albert Einstein said, failure is success in progress. Last thing I'm going to say is make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, apply, and repeat till you accomplish what you want. So with that being said, y'all boys out. I'll see y'all in the next video. If y'all enjoyed this, man, y'all know what to do.